If I think about, the construction industry, one of the things that I'm hearing recently is that a lot of companies who are laggards, who are late adopters, aren't really in a position to compete. Margins are so thin to begin with. And as an industry, we're behind in adopting technology. Owners themselves are seeing their needs, and they're starting to demand a different level of performance from their contractors. Those companies that aren't positioned to do that, they'll start to disappear. The real pain point is analysts who are meant to be analyzing information, forecasting. Rather than interpreting that information, they're making sure that it's accurate. And they're having to look at that based on manual entry of information into Excel. I think another contributor is point solutions for different roles in the organization, as opposed to a comprehensive approach, holistic approach to what information do we need within the organization to manage the business. I think sometimes the starting point is a problem. Someone in the organization or that team will say, let's focus on this type of project. And so they'll build a deep solution for a specific project type or things that department runs into, as opposed to looking at the high-level processes or the overall processes for the organization. Then when they take that solution to other groups, it won't fit, right? And people will become discouraged and say the solution that you presented to us won't work for us. Enterprise project performance, it needs to be viewed at the enterprise level. And so it's not something that a small department, a small team is going to be successful with. It really has to be something that the organization has thought through. Adoption is always a challenge. Hitting organizations with a very deep solution means massive change when you roll it out. By going wide on a deployment, it's a lot easier to take an iterative approach. It allows your solution to be absorbed into the organization. And that's a great way to approach adoption. So rather than changing everything for everyone right away, change a few things. Find something that's going to give you more visibility than you had before, and also allow people to change their behavior, bring the tool on and really make it successful over a number of iterations. You get several benefits. One, you allow kind of a smaller impact on the organization. That's one. Two, you start to get buy-in. People look at it, okay, I can consume this, I can adopt this within my day-to-day work. Three, you have the advantage of seeing things that might need to change. Oftentimes people will really focus on, a small set of very large projects. Instead of what typically they'll also have in addition to that will be a very large set of small projects. And I've had clients who realized overall they were losing more money on the small projects than they were on the large ones, and they just hadn't been paying attention there. But with that visibility you get with early iterations of a deployment, you can start to tack and move in different directions once you have enough visibility to see, I've got overruns here, this is profitable. An enterprise approach is going to put all the information into one system. Certainly, it's tied back into their business drivers. Why are we doing this? What do we intend to achieve? Right? Having some very specific things in mind that you want to achieve. I think a big advantage of enterprise system is being able to have information, fresh information, valid information in a timely manner, and feel confident that it's accurate, and not spend your time replicating, checking information from other systems, having that flow automatically. I think that the companies who have plans, who are already adopting technology in an intelligent way, are starting to see the benefits.